Hello, people who have decided to click on this video. I am Imaginable, or that is my YouTube nickname, and welcome to my channel, Imaginable Ideas. Now, what is this channel about? That's simple. It's about crafting, gaming, having fun, and actually just imagining. So, I imagine a lot. I imagine things. I have a very imaginative brain. So I imagine a lot of actually ideas, and those ideas normally are sometimes like crafts or something like that. And then I'm like, oh, these are good ideas. Yeah, I should probably bring them to life, make them live, make them enjoy the world. So then I'm like, oh, wow, you know what? These are good. I should share them with someone. But nobody would just like ask, hey, you have any crafts you want to do? So, this was born. My main idea, my main imaginative idea. And it is called Imaginable Ideas, my YouTube channel. So, anyway, I am very excited that I decided to create a YouTube channel, and I'm very, 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 very happy. Also a little nervous. Anyway, so today we are going to be doing a craft, or I am. I will teach you guys how to do it too, though. And it's a little snow cone. I've already done it. This is not very good. I was kind of rushing on this one, so it's not very good. We can just spin that off the screen. I just threw it, but that doesn't matter. So, for that snow cone, and why are we making a snow cone? Well, it's really hot outside, and, you know, you just want a snow cone, but you can't have a snow cone, so what do? Well, you make a snow cone out of paper. So, that's not the best thing you can do. You can just go get ice cream, but whatever. We're making a snow cone. So, for this, you are going to be needing a couple of things. Wait. Not you first, it's paper first. You're going to be needing paper first. Okay, you're going to also be needing a pencil. I'm using a mechanical one. You're also going to be needing something to color with. I'm just using this color pencil. You can use anything you want. You can watercolor, paint it. You can use crayons. You can use markers. You can use literally anything. You can use Skittles water for all I care. Just, yeah. That was a little intense. You also need scotch tape. Where's the other thing I need? Okay. You also need, scissors. And where's the glue stick? Where did I keep the... Excuse me while I go on a search for my glue stick that I literally had a second ago. And now, poof, it's gone. But where did the glue stick go? You know what? It's fine. You don't need a glue stick. I am so sorry. I'm very unprepared. I literally had it just a second ago. You know what? That's fine. You can use tape. Tape is really, really good. And you could use it. And, whew, deep breaths. Okay, moving on from that. So, first step is to put everything else away for now. First step, get your pencil and draw a circle. It can be any size circle you wish. I'm just drawing a circle because I don't really have a preference. There's my very, very light circle. And then, get your scissors. Cut out your circle. Circle. Done. My piece of paper just fell. Is the glue stick down there, piece of paper? No? Okay. You need to forget that. Then, what you need to do is stab your circle in the middle of it. Don't actually go through it, though. Just put a little dot on it. Right in the center. And then, you can pick whichever side you want, or whatever you want, and just... motion. Okay, anyway. Get your scissors and cut from any point. I guess I'm cutting from here. And stop when you get to the middle point. Now you got this Pac-Man looking figure. And what you need to do then is grab one of the corners, either one. I'm going to pick this one. And basically just round it, and it will create this cone. So, as you already probably know, snow cones have a big base, or the circle at the top of the cone is pretty big because it's just filled with all that ice. So you want it pretty big. So I'm going to have it this big, about. Then, at the edge of your paper, you probably can't see that very well, but I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, you can't see that very well. But this is the edge of where my paper curls. You want to draw it on that, like after the edge. So when you do that, then you can take out your swirl and mark which corner you use because, you know, you don't want to accidentally use the other one. And there's a line. This is do not erase this line. Then you can go ahead and just re-curl it up. Now, if you had glue, you would glue it down over here, curl it to that point, and then stick it like this. See, like put glue on the back of it, curl it up to that point, to where the line is. See, it's at the line. Okay, and then what you would do is you would press it down to stick the glue to the other paper. But if you don't have glue, me, you're just going to get a piece of tape ready, prep the tape, stick it down, curl it up, and curl it up, I said. Yeah. Okay, and basically this end, you can cut it off already. So cut this end off, the little tail that's stuck up. And no, don't stick to the table. And get the end that's just sticking out and tape, if I can figure out how tape works, tape it to the rest of the cone. And there, your cone is done. That took me a long time to explain, but that's fine. And then you can trim it up. If your cone is looking like a mountain landscape, then you can go ahead and trim it down to flatten out. I honestly like mine, and I don't really want to trim it. Well, now I need to make the inside of it, the ice. So, what you can do, in order to do this texture, you guys are going to really call me crazy for this, but you need to crumple it up and make sure it never sees light again. No, that was really violent. You just crumple it up. And you can make it, you can make the crumples a little, you can, unfold it a couple of times and re-crumple it if you don't like it, and you can expand it if you want, but I'm just going to use a couple crumples. You can even use a couple different pieces of paper to crumple it up and then just create different textures. And then you're just going to pop them in. Oh, wait, before you do that, you need to color it. Oh, yeah, me forgetting steps. Pencil, boom, color. You can also color the back because when you crumple it up, there's a good chance that the back is also going to show a little bit. So just color it up. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble. This pencil will evaporate. No, you don't want the pencil to evaporate. And just pop it in. And yes, I'm aware it does not go to the top. Just wait. Do this a couple more times until you get it to the height you want. Fulfill. Now, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this, sorta. And wait, but it just falls out. Dun, dun, dun. You revive her cone. So what you need to do is basically secure it on by taking a piece of tape, prepping it, and filling up your thing, unless you haven't dropped it. And then you are going to put a tape over all of it. Seal it in. Don't let any escape. No, don't escape. Don't let any escape. And this will also, if you crumple it up a lot, this will also create the texture that you want it to look like icy and rough. And there we almost go. If yours flattened out because of the tape, that can easily be fixed by snipping literally more paper, crumpling it up, and putting it on top and securing it by tape. The exact same thing you did. Okay, my advice is just use both your hands and be very careful. Ooh, hey. Okay. And you can put two pieces of tape to really secure it. Now, your snow cone is done. Hallelujah. Wait, it's supposed to be hallelujah, not hallelujah. Sorry. Hallelujah. 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 Probably shouldn't throw it like that, but here's your snow cone. I know it doesn't look like a spitting image of a snow cone, and it's not even the prettiest thing either, but yeah, okay. And then okay. These crafts that I show aren't supposed to be they can be if you really, really, really want them to be, but they aren't supposed to be the best thing you've ever seen in your life. They're just supposed to be crafts that kind of just take time that way, because especially in COVID-19 or in Corona time, that's what I say. Anyway, it's probably a lot of people I know are really bored, so this is just supposed to be a craft that takes a long time, or at least took 16 minutes for me to make. So this really is just to really help your boredom, and not help it, but fight your boredom. Nobody can see that. Anyway, so yeah, it's not supposed to be the most beautiful thing. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time on your busy schedule making time for this video. And I really hope that you stick with me for my next video. I will post weekly, and thank you so much for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you want to join me in my team that I will make. And leave a comment if you want to see anything, if you have a couple things you might want me to do or something in videos. And also, if you do subscribe, make sure to make that bell button ding-de-dong, da-ding-de-dong. And I think that's all. The snow cone, is that all? Yeah, I think so. Maybe we should just stop the video now. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you guys. There's tape on me. Bye!